ready for the story? Ready. Oh, what is this? Cow. What sound cow makes? Sound panno. What sound cow will make? Cow enna sound panno? Cow enna sound panno? Okay. How many cows are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 5 cow. Are you also want to hold a cow? Hold it like this. Show it like this. Show it like this. Show it like this. Show it like this. Good. Show. What sound the cow will make? What sound it will make? Okay. All these cows, they are very good friends, just like you. So all these cows are. All these cows are friends. They are friends. Okay. Ella cow what will they do? Ellame group up. All cows they go together to eat grass. Ellarme friends la ungla madri. So all cows they are going together to eat grass. Grass ella saapidum. Cow how eppadi grass saapidudha? Right? Behind the tree, there is someone waiting. There is someone looking at all these 5 cows. Okay, who is that? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Lion. Lion actually wants to eat this cow. Okay, but it is thinking, I can't go and eat this lion. All these cows are friends. They are coming together. So in the cow ella onna சேர்ந்துச்சுனா lion-ஏ சாப்பிடும். இந்த cow 5 cow இல்ல, இது 1 lion தான். இது 5 cow. எது ரொம்ப நிறைய இருக்கு? cow-ஆ lion-ஆ? lion ஒன்னு தானே இருக்கு. cow 5 இருக்கு. அப்ப cow ஜாஸ்தியா lion ஜாஸ்தியா? lion more. lion is only 1. இல்ல? So lion என்ன think பண்ணுது? நான் வந்து இந்த 5 cow one day what happened? இந்த 5 cows குள்ள fight ஆயிடுச்சு. எப்படி fight ஆச்சு? எப்படி fight? எல்லா cow-ம் fight ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்ப என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? It is coming all alone. Now this cow is coming alone to eat grass. Cow என்ன sound பண்ணும்? The lion is thinking, the cow is coming all alone. I will go and attack the cow now. அப்படினா the lion is now coming. Lion roar பண்ணுது. எப்படி roar பண்ணும் lion? Lion எப்படி roar பண்ணும்? அப்படியே attack பண்ணி jump பண்ணி வருது. எப்படி சாப்பிடுது? lion cow full சாப்பிட்டு now this cow died. திரும்ப again it is going and hiding. Where another cow is coming. Cow எப்படி வரும்? Cow எப்படி வரும்? Cow என்ன sound பண்ணும்? அந்த grass சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருக்கு. lion என்ன ஜம்ப் பண்ணி வந்து எப்படி roar பண்ணுது? இந்த cow full சாப்பிடுச்சு. இந்த cow died. Next cow is coming. lion is again hiding. One by one. Cow எப்படி shout பண்ணுது? The grass now. Cow is eating the grass. Okay. lion is seeing, this cow has also come alone. தனியா நானும் போய் இந்த cow-ஐ சாப்பிட போறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு lion is coming. நீ roar பண்ணிட்டு வருது. வந்து cow-ஐ எப்படி சாப்பிடுது? full சாப்பிடுது. This cow also died. So one by one ஒவ்வொரு கவ்வும் தனித்தனியா வரும்போது lion வந்து எல்லாத்தையும் சாப்பிடுச்சு. all the cows died. What do you understand from this? First இந்த 5 cows என்ன பண்ணாங்க? They all came together, right? அப்போ lionனால attack பண்ணவே முடியல. But when they all fought, they came all alone. One by one they came. Lion attacked every cow. Okay, so நம்ம சேர்ந்து இருந்தானா we have strength. Together we have more strength. If you are all alone, you don't have any strength. Unity is strength. Say, unity is strength. Strength. Okay. Strength. Okay. See, if I am giving you one stick, இதுதான் கவுன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, one stick. Hold. I am also having a stick. Either shall we break? Break பண்ண முடியுமா? Good. Break. Break பண்ணி. Put it down. Okay. So there was only one stick you were able to break. Now, are you able to break this bundle? Try to break. இத break பண்ண முடியுமா? No, you are not able to break. Give it to Asif. Are you able to break? Break பண்ண பாரு. No. Try breaking this. இத break பண்ணு. Try breaking it. No. Try breaking this. இத break பண்ணி பாரு. Break பண்ணு. Are you able to break? No. So, singular இருந்துச்சுனா you have no strength. ஈஸியா attack பண்ணிடுவாங்க. If you are with friends ஓட இருந்தீங்கனா nobody will attack you. So, சொல்லணும். Unity is strength. Unity